cookie. Hey, baby, baby. Hey, Quitty Quitty. Hey, Quitty Quitty. Lolita. Gabi lang. Come on, let's go to the back. Come on. Let's go to the back, Gabi lang. Hey, Gabi lang, Chico. Come on. Come on, Gabi lang. Hey, Gabi lang. You're so precious. Something's wrong. Go play. Go play, Lolita. Go ahead, Lolita. Gabilang is a good boy. You don't bother anybody, right, Gabilang? I don't bother anybody. I just feel so very hot. And Lolita, you're a precious little girl. You're eating a little milk bone. Milk bone. Here I come. Milk bone. Come on, Gabby. Let me out of here. Come on, Gabby. Gabilang. I'm so gentle. Wow. I'm so full I could fall asleep, right? No. See? My quiet little puppies. They're Spanish little puppies. That's why they don't like you. Because you're Spanish little puppies. All the other puppies were born in Manhattan.
You take a close-up of his head.
Quasimodo. You're so cute, Quasimodo.
So now only his head shows over here.
Oh, look at his big paws. Look at those big, huge paws. Oh, look at his tail. Oh, gosh, he's posing again. Quasimodo. Quasimodo. Hi, Quasi. Hi, Quasi. Hey, man, that's the cutest little cat you ever seen in your life. Yep, I am.
one. This is the one that had the broken wing. He's a regular pigeon, rock dog. See? And the other one is probably a pure breed. Yeah. This one is on an egg, and it has the funny hair, black and white. Looks scary, but he's pretty in person. So that's the pure breed. I think this is a pure breed too. That's the pure, another, because they were, I think, from the same area. So there's three. This, see his wing, even though he flies with it hanging, see? He can still go up and down in the cage. So I think he can fly. 9 lives. That's the baby, that's 9 lives. These I keep. These are my other birds. I keep her. And this is my other pigeon that I love. And I keep him. There he goes. This one's mine. He's my beautiful Cotong. Hi, Cotong, 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 Cotong. How beautiful you are, my Cotong. You're so beautiful. I love you, my Cotong, my Cotong. Oh, he's Cotong and his little... I've got a million cats. There goes 9. There goes baby. Here is Lulu, my dogs. In there, there's more cats. That's my little Charlie's butt. My little Charlie, I love your butt. It's Quasimodo waiting for ham. Hey, Quasi, you waiting for ham? Quasimodo's waiting for ham. I'm not gonna give you more ham. Maybe I'll give you a little piece.